Yo guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In today's video we are gonna unbox the newest Casio, the GA-2110ET-2AER, Navy Blue. The watch has a retail price of only €109. The watch has a diameter of 45.4mm and is 11.8mm thick. The watch is 200-meter water resistant and has a mineral glass. This watch is very strong, it has a carbon core guard. This watch also has a nickname, the Casio, because it has the same octagonal bezel like the Royal Oak series from Audemars Piguet. I absolutely love this watch and we have still 10 pieces left in our stock. Check out the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys next time.